I'm just driving to work now. But this is definitely some BS. I'm trying to do a day in the life, man, so you guys can see a little day in the life, little vlog. And look at this, man, look. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I basically got a flat tire, I think, already. I don't know. I know it's not because of the cold, because it was colder yesterday and this didn't happen. So it's definitely not because of the cold making the tire pressure go down, and it's just on the one tire. Man, I think it got like a nail or something in it, so we about to find out. I'm gonna just drive to work, and I barely got any gas, man. I'm literally I feel ghetto right now, man. I'm gonna just say that. So yeah, man, I'm gonna just get to work and then figure out this tire situation around lunchtime. I'm gonna just thug it out for now. It's crazy, man, because this is basically brand new Mickey's, bro. So if I gotta get a new tire, that's gonna make me mad, bro. Just spending money for no reason. Hopefully, it's just a little. If it is like a nail in it or something, which I don't know how I've been getting so many nails in my car. It gotta be somebody just throwing nails on the road or something, man. But if it is something like that, I just put a little. I don't even know what those things are called, but you know, you just put it in the hole and then it's good. It shouldn't go flat again. But yeah, hopefully it's something slight. I don't know what that is, but I know what that is. Jesus Christ, man. It's crazy, bro. Ridiculous. This is like the 4th time this has happened to me, man, in the past year. Crazy, bro. Alright, I'm on my lunch break and I gotta fix this tire, man, because like I showed you guys earlier, this tire, I don't know if it got a screw. Oh my god. That is not good. That is not good. I honestly, I don't think that's... Jesus Christ, man. What in the world, bro? I don't think that's that horrible, actually, but Jesus Christ, that's gonna be a headache. I gotta take this to the tire shop again. Man, make sure it's nothing else. Low-key kind of bald again. You know what? I'm not even gonna worry about this right now. I'm not even gonna worry about that tire right now because that's a big nail. I don't know how that nail got in there, but it is what it is, man. But I'm not going to put air in it right now because that's going to be like 20 minutes, 10, 20 minutes to do. And then probably by the time I get out of work, it's going to be flat again. So there's no point. If anything, I'm going to fill it up after I get out of work because I'm only going to go to McDonald's real quick to get like a coffee or something. Because it ain't no point filling it up now until like 32. Then it's going to be back at 20 something later. And McDonald's is just like 2-3 minutes away. So it's whatever. It's not. I'm not going to die. The car pops, crashes, it is what it is, man. Insurance, that's what it's for. But let me turn this car on, man. It's hot, bro. It'll literally be like 30 degrees in the morning and then 80 degrees, 90 degrees in the afternoon. That's North Carolina weather for you, man. It's crazy. And I need to get gas. Jesus Christ, I told you guys, I'm a mess today, man. It's not always this messy, I swear. But yeah, we still at 26, so it shouldn't be that bad. I'm at McDonald's right now real quick. I want to know, do you guys ever use the freaking app, man, for McDonald's to order? I know you get like a lot of deals with it. I've been using it. I use it a lot the past couple months, but then I just end up going to McDonald's and I forget to use it and I end up getting like no points for it. But yeah, I'm about to order this. Medium latte real quick because it's hot outside, man, and I need some coffee. Jesus Christ. Yeah, see, I got like 10,000 points. I don't know what that equates to, but yeah, that's how you know I've been using it a lot. I'm trying to be healthy, man. I'm trying to eat clean. I really only come here for coffees and stuff. Cause guess what? Starbucks compared to this, overrated. McDonald's got way better coffee. I'm gonna just tell it like it is. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I literally he just started moving now, but this dude was there for like 6 minutes and I'm getting nervous because this ain't low range. It said like 10, 11 miles. So I feel like I'm gonna get to the gas station is literally like a couple hundred feet from here, but like, bro, this is ridiculous, bro. If this thing stops on me while I'm at McDonald's, this is gonna be ridiculous. I really hope it doesn't. Gas station is literally right there, man. Come on, Jesus Christ, help me, please. Oh, we secured the bag too, man. Got my little coffee, but yeah, bro, we're literally right there. The cars, I don't know if it's mental right now. I don't know if it's mental, but the car's feeling really weird. So I'm literally just waiting for this green light, man. Everything feels like it's taking forever. It's real irresponsible of me to leave it this low. I should have got gas last night, but I was just too tired, man. I didn't feel like it. So yeah, really hope it. At least you guys will see how much it will cost from zero to fill it up. At least that's a good part about this. It would help a lot if I knew how to read, because I got there and I started pumping gas. I'm like, bro, why is this not working? Next thing I know, I'm looking around, and on almost all of the gas stations or pumps, it's saying 87 only, no premium. And then I'm like, bro, let me look at my pump, because the paper, I guess the wind had messed it up. I folded the paper back up and it said the same thing, no premium. I was like, oh my god. So, but I'm at 13. I started the car and it's saying like 13 miles, and I'm about to go to this next gas station here. If they don't got premium here, bro, I'm literally, I don't know, I'm gonna go crazy, because then I'm gonna really be like, what in the world? It's ridiculous. And there's a fire truck right beside me, right behind me. I ain't gonna be moving. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Hopefully they good. But yeah, 13 miles. I'm not as nervous now. It literally said like 9 when I was at McDonald's. That's why I started tripping so much.
Hello everyone, this is Cheddar News. Here's what...
Alright, so I just filled the gas up. We should be at 105 right now. So it ended up being $32. And I looked at the tire again, it got even something else on it, bro. So I'm about to be mad right now. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna think if it got more than just one thing in it, I'm probably gonna have to end up getting a whole new tire completely, and that's gonna suck, honestly. But it is what it is, I guess. Expenses just out of nowhere, bro. Hey, that Ryan Garcia and what's his name, Tank fight is this weekend. This video's probably going up. After that on a Sunday. I think the fight's on a Saturday. So shoot. Put in the comments below who you thought was gonna win, and I guess who actually ended up winning, like the difference in performances. You know what? I actually don't know, because I don't be watching boxing like that. I'm a UFC fan, but I don't be watching boxing like that. But just from like the size comparisons and that weight clause that I heard about, that Ryan Garcia can't weigh over 5 pounds. That just lets me know that the Tank dude is a smaller guy. But I heard for him being small, he got a lot of knockout power. So I don't know, man, but we definitely gonna be watching that fight. Might record a little bit, maybe do a little something at my house, take some drinks. You already know, man. Gonna be messed up. I'm gonna be out of my body. Nah, I'm playing. I'm gonna be sober. I'm gonna be sober, man. Don't do that stuff, kids. Stay sober. Don't do alcohol, drugs, none of that. But yeah, man. Going back, might edit some more videos for my company's channel and for my company's Instagram, MJ on credit. Let me put my seatbelt on. I don't know why, but recently I've never done that in my life, like not drive without seatbelt, and then the past couple months I've just been doing it a lot. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. But yeah, guys, this is really just a day in the life. We're gonna continue. It's literally only just 12:58. That coffee, they done scam me, bro. McDonald said I could get a medium. That thing looked like a small, bro. I ended up drinking it in like 5 seconds. I was like, what in the world, bro? It is what it is, man. Can't have everything in life. But yeah, I wanted to ask you guys a question, man, because I love seeing in the comments. You guys be real funny in the comments sometimes. Y'all be funny roasting and be real motivational. Y'all be making me want to do more of these videos, because y'all like it, man. If y'all like it, it really inspires me to do more. And but one thing I want to know, just from like a financial perspective, everybody who has track cars, comment down below. Not just people who have track cars, who have like track car, Hellcats and track cars, like both at the same time. Because that's what I'm trying to be, man. I'm trying to be at the point I got a Hellcat and a track car. I'm really working hard towards that, so I can bring it to the channel with business and work and everything. I'm having multiple streams of income, so I'm really working hard on that, because I just think that's gonna kill the game. You know, Hellcat, track car. I know people done it before, but not that many people have done it. I feel like I would bring a different vibe to it, you know. And I'm real transparent with you guys. Like I said, I'm real transparent. A lot of people, they'll have all these cars. They don't tell people how much it is to like own them, monthly payments. A lot of people don't do that. a lot of people don't do that. I would be real transparent with it, like you guys seen with the Hellcat and the Scat Pack. If you guys haven't checked that video out, go check it out below. Yeah, man, I'll be real transparent with that. But my main question is, like I was about to say, is if you have a Hellcat and a Trackhawk, both, or maybe even more than that, what do you do? Like, are you a businessman? Is it just from your main job, side hustles? Like, let me know. I'm real interested to know. I know just off of, like, not necessarily history, but just off of, like, common sense, you can't really have all those cars with, like, a main job. So I know a business is probably gonna be the main answer. But if it's not, I'll be interested to know. I'll be interested to know, like, what you guys do for work, and, you know, not just for me, but for other people reading in the comments below, because I like to have other people motivate others, not just myself. And I feel like if we put that in the comments below, it's gonna get, you know, a community started and a lot of motivation, a lot of ideas. Because, for example, I'm at where I'm at now because of other people and, like, their ideas, and they let me know, like, hey, I could do that if they're doing that, you know what I'm saying? So maybe if someone comments down below what they're doing and somebody else that hasn't done it yet sees that, they're gonna be motivated and try to not necessarily follow your footsteps and copy you, but, you know, do something similar and get in the position where you're at, or, you know, where they're trying to be at. So I'm all about motivating people and everything. That's my main goal, is to motivate you guys to do things you want to do. So yeah, drop down below. And Trackhawk, I feel like it's coming this year, man. Pray to God, Trackhawk coming this year with the Hellcat. And I'm trying to do some crazy rap shoot. I'm thinking about wrapping this car, you know, just doing something different. I feel like the black, I've had it for a little too long, so I obviously don't want to get a new car just for a new color. So I'm gonna definitely wrap it. I'm thinking about like a Cuban theme wrap, something like that, something along those lines. So I'm gonna try to do that, get some rendering done, and see how it looks. I don't know if I'm just gonna get the stripes or actual full car wrap. I don't know yet, but we about to find out. So I just got out of work, guys. I'm headed home. Just because I'm out of work don't mean I'm done working. Now we gotta go home, put in that extra work, and make these videos, you know, come up with ideas, and also do some consultations with my clients for my credit business. Like I said, MJM Credit, if you need your credit right. Shameless plug, man. For real, we get people seeing results out here in 30-90 days, man. You know, I like helping people, like I said, motivating them. And if I can help people get into their dreams cars by fixing credit, like a Hellcat Scat Packs, then I'm gonna do that. So that's what I love doing as well on the side. But yeah, we got consultations all the way until like 8 p.m. So after that, I'm gonna hit the gym up. I'll show you guys what I do at the gym. Today's chest day, chest and shoulders. It's like a heavy day. So I'm trying to get my bench up right now. Whoever be, you know, lifting right now, my best numbers is 405 on deadlift, 335 on squat, and then 245 on bench. I'm trying to get to like a 315 bench, close to 500 squat, and then like a 600 deadlift. Those are my goals. Those are like my lifetime goals. For squats, when I hit that 335 squat, it was actually like last 8 weeks ago. And I was bulking up. I like OD bulked up, so I was like 220 something pounds. I'm back at like 210, but I think I would probably look better at 190. And if you guys don't know, I'm also sponsored by Cali Muscle. So if you need pre-workout or a pump, so go ahead and click the link below for that Go Wild. That Go Wild crazy, man. That Go Wild and that pump, man, it's a different level. That hyphy mud, man. But yeah, man, I'll be taking those, so you guys are gonna see when I go to the gym. Jesus Christ, so much traffic on the way. And by the way, that tire is still not good. I can't believe I got so much stuff in the tire, bro. I don't know what's going on. I think because my dad was not fixing up, but renovating the bathroom. I don't know if it was like some nails or something in my front yard, or what in the world going on. But now I'm gonna have to what's the word, delegate. I'm gonna have to delegate. I'm gonna have to ask my dad to take the car to the tire shop, because like I said, I got these consultations, so I can't do two things at once, man. One thing I learned from like growing up and, you know, watching all these businesses and stuff is that outsourcing and delegating work to like people that know how to do it, that's real important, because you want to do a lot of stuff in life, but, you know, doing multiple things at once is literally impossible. So you gotta find people. That's a little life hack. If you want to do like a lot of big things in life, you gotta learn how to delegate that stuff. Even if you have to pay somebody, I feel like it's just an extra investment, and, you know, being able to do more things and getting more out of your ideas Jesus Christ, I need to start getting a flash for this camera. You can't really see nothing right now, but I'm headed to the gym. Just got done with the calls today. I'm in the Yukon right now, man, because the Hellcat is decommissioned. I am not about to drive on that tire, man. On, guys, so my dumb self did not realize I put this thing in slow motion. I look stupid as I don't know what, talking to the camera. I was just basically saying, what's up, guys? I'm basically gonna end the video here. That's basically a day in my life, man. I really just wake up, get ready, you know, get my coffee in, go to work, eat my lunch, after work do some more business stuff, my own personal business stuff. Then I hit the gym. And if I got a time for a video or two, I try to record some YouTube videos in there, and then basically go to sleep, do it again, and try to keep, you know, and basically, you know, try to keep going up, leveling up every day we can. But yeah, guys, if you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to support your boy, man, so we can make this dope content and end up motivating even more people. So make sure and go ahead and follow your dreams, man. Go ahead and do everything you want to do, man, because life's too short to not be doing what you want to do. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.